Sally. Sally, press the button. Good girl. Press it again. Sally. What are you trying to do, Sally? Do we need to do a close-up of you? Sally, what are you doing? Are you going to press the computer buttons? Sally, step up. Step up. Step up. What are you going to do, Sal? Oh, do you like the computer? You want to see yourself? You want to press the buttons. Okay, what are you going to type? What are you going to type me? Come on, type me a letter. Good girl, look at you typing away. Type, 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 type. Come on, type some more. Type some more letters. Come on. Good girl. You gonna type a letter to Faith and Rayma? How about Justice too? Okay. Good girl. Now what are you doing? Smile in the camera. Get really close. Smile. Oh, not that close, Sally. You're way too close. Sally. Sally. You're close. Back up. Back up. Back up. Come on. Back up. Good girl. Back up. No, back up there. Back up. There you go. Now you're in right. Good girl. Typing letters. Typing letters. Typing letters to Colin Jackson and Gracie and Alex. Typing, typing, typing. Sally? Sally? You're getting close to the camera again. Back up. Back up. Good girl. Back up. Back up. Are you hissing at me? Sally? Can I scratch your head? Can I scratch your head? Good girl. Oh, yes. Look at you. Sally. Step up. Step up. Come on. Step up. Good girl. Sally. Type letters. Type the letters. Good girl. Type them. Type them out. Good girl. Type, 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 type. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Are you going to come up? You want to come up? You want to come up? Oh, are you getting mad at me now? Get up there. Get up. No, get up. Scratch your head? Do you want me to scratch your head? Oh, yes. Look at you. Look at you. What a cute little girl. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at you. Look at you, Sally. Look at you. Yes. Come on. Come on, step up. No? You want me to pet you some more? Okay. Are you being a nice bird or a naughty bird? Be nice to me. No, don't do that. That's not nice. You want me to pet you, Gina? Mm-hmm. Look at you. Hello. Oh, yeah. What are you going to say, Sally? What are you going to say? Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Look at you turning your head. Look at you. Look. Are you upside down, Sally? Oh, look at you. Look at you, sir. Mm-hmm. Are you going to sleep? You're tired, aren't you? All that typing makes you tired, doesn't it, Sally? Oh, yes, you're yawning. You're getting so tired. Look at you. I'm gonna pet you again? Mm-hmm. You like that, don't you, Sal? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at you. You're so tired, Johnny. You're gonna go to sleep. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mm-hmm. Come on. Come on. Sally, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so tired. Yes, are you going to have a nap now?